Holy fuck! So that's how you do it. Change the clutch, take the clutch in even 2 seconds, you know? People, guess what? I'm gonna go for Harley. Holy moly, it's heavy. So, yes, on this video, I'm gonna take this cover out, check the clutch, and put it all back together and be done with it. And you're thinking, Francisco, what's going on? So yeah, this is from a good client of mine. He has a Norton Dominator, a really fast one, and he bought this iron head. So he asked me like, hey, would you like to do it? And I was like, yeah, let's do this, let's try it, you know? I was thinking some time ago too to start to do Harley Davidson, but only classic ones, or at least old ones, no new ones. And this is a good tryout for me, so yeah. It would be nice, then I can do both worlds, you know? Slowly I'm walking to the dark side, you know? So let's get at it, let's go. I see already that this one is loose, or it has a lot of play, so yeah. Let's try to show it. This first thing I saw. Ba-da-bam! This is loose, but I don't know if it's coming from this one that I could lose earlier to now, or from where it's coming. So I'll need to look at it. It looks like it's broken from somewhere, like it was hanging in somewhere. Woo! Okay, that's not good. That's all gone. You can see it's barely, well no, it's not barely, it's touching the metal. Yeah, that's for sure. Okay, voila. Let's see, because I see this one has like a circle clip. Let's see if it's open or not. It should be open somewhere, I guess. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. So that's how you do it. Change the clutch, take the clutch in even 2 seconds, you know? Don't take that, this one, don't take it out, people, okay? Okay, I didn't look the book, I'm just going at it and see how it goes. Holy moly, I just took it on the fly. Like, I took it out and I saw this one coming out and I'm like, ooh, okay, that's not good. So I take this one slowly out and I saw it, boom, coming out, and I just, pop, took it on the fly. I know. And those are the springs, you know. Those are actually, they're looking good, so that's good. There's nothing weird here. Actually, what I wanted to see is this, are the plates, those plates. It's my first time doing this, and I didn't check any video or something. I just go at it again, okay? But it was funny, yeah. I don't know if it's in camera, but I was like, whoa! Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's check the thickness of this and try to find too where it's coming this metal plate out. But I think it's from here. Because people, right now I got all the parts for the clutch, so let's put it in, let's build it up, and start the bike and see how the clutch does. So let's go. Okay, so let's see right now. Okay, this Larry, let's see, there you go. So this one is broken. Okay, it's been damaged. This one is loose. So I'm gonna weld it up, and then I'm gonna shape this one in the proper shape. Okay, whoa. You see? So this one I'm gonna make it fit here, make it fit there, and then this is the substitute for this one. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, so there it goes, welded in place. Let's try to show it. So okay, there you go. Now let's shape the nylon. Yeah. So it wasn't easy. I needed to shape it and shape it and shape it. You can see still a little bit of clearance there, but now it's not moving. Like, you cannot pull it out. So I needed to bend this one a lot. You can see too. You see? Okay. This one is so deep. Let's try to show. See there? Voila. And the same for this one. So yeah, let's install it.
not bad, not bad, not bad. I feel like it's a lot of, yeah, like the rear suspension, it's not good, that's for sure, and the front one is really soft. But that's yeah, those are other things for the, I guess, for the future, or maybe the owner wants to do it, we will know. But for now, my job is done here, so see you in the next one. And remember, if you like to help the channel, you can do so by buy me a coffee. Okay, I'm gonna put the link here, you can click on, and then you can help the channel. Okay, and yeah, sorry that I didn't put that many videos, but yeah, a lot of things are coming, so yeah, just keep on watching. Okay, and thanks for watching. Ciao.